Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the top to pump hose in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a putty knife, a 5/16" nut driver, a pair of pliers, a flat blade screwdriver, and a homemade support strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new top to pump hose. The top to pump hose connects the tub outlet to the drain pump inlet. In time, the top to pump hose wears out, cracks, and starts leaking. So if you find a water puddle on the right side of your washer, the top to pump hose should be checked and replaced if needed. Let's start with taping the lid down to the cabinet. Next, we're going to lift the top. We need to undo the clips here, approximately 2.5 inches from the side. We're going to insert the putty knife and push down on the locking clip. Lift the top off. All right, slowly let it down. Then do the same thing on the opposite side. Remember, 2.5 inches. Push it in. And now we can lift the top of the cabinet and install the support strap. And put those hooks through the holes. If you have the wall right behind the washer, you can support the top on the wall. And now we're going to use a 5/16" nut driver to remove the 2 screws that holds the front panel to the cabinet. Push the top to the side to get an access to the second screw. And then remove. Now we can remove the front panel. Tilt it towards you, about 45 degrees, and then pull it up to take off the bottom hinges. Alright, let's put a towel underneath. There gotta be some water in that hose. Alright, now using the pliers, I'm gonna squeeze that hose clamp and slide it down. And now I'm going to squeeze the bottom clamp with the pliers and move it up. If the hose won't come off easily, then use the flat blade screwdriver to pry it off. And then the drain pump side of the hose. That's an old hose, and we're going to remove the clamps. We're going to reuse them on the new hose. This is the old top to pump hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Using the pliers, slide both hose clamps on the new top to pump hose. Install the new hose on the outer tub port and the drain pump port. Using the pliers, secure the hose with the 2 hose clamps. Let's remove the towel. Alright, install the front panel on the bottom hinges. Match the cutouts with the hinges. Push it down and push it forward. And now we're going to secure the front panel to the cabinet. We're going to use this 5/16 inch screw. Again, we're going to push the top to the side, out of the way, and then repeat the procedure on the opposite side. And now we can remove the holding strap. Simply unhook it and lower the top. Put it down and push it to lock on both clips. Now we can remove the tape. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.